Hello guys. In this video, I will show you that how to upload an Android app to Google Play Store. For this, you need a signed APK file, one app icon, 2 screenshots, and one banner. Check out the image sizes and the description. So let's get started. Search for Google Play Console. Sign in with your Gmail account. Accept terms and click on Continue. Enter your card details and make a payment of $25. This is a one-time payment for Play Store developer account. You can upload as many apps you want on one account. Once you make payment, your account will be ready within 2-3 hours. Log into your account when it is ready. Click on Create Application. Choose your language and enter your app name. Enter your app description. Add your screenshot here. Add app icon and banner. Fill out other details as asked. Click on Save Draft. Now click on App Releases. Manage Production. Create Release. Opt out. Then upload your APK. Click on Review. Now Content Rating. Enter your email address. Choose your application category. Then answer all the questions that will be asked. Save it. And apply the rating. Click on Pricing and Distribution. Select application type, free or paid. Select which country you want to available your app. Then answer some more question. And save draft. Again, go to the app releases. Manage production. Edit release. Review. Then you have to click on Start to roll out production. Once you click on that, your app will be sent for the approval by Play Store staff. It will take 2-3 hours. After that, your app will be published on Play Store. You can check your app status on your dashboard. Once the app is approved, the status will be changed to published.